Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to discuss how to enable Shopify shipping labels. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. All of your shipping and label settings are going to be in your settings, and there you need to head over to shipping and delivery. Once you are here, you can see we have shipping. You can add a new profile in here, and below you can see your expected delivery dates. You have your local delivery, pickup in store, and delivery customizations. If you want to add some customizations, you can do that. So if you want to add some labels, you can head over to Play Store and install some labels related application or integration, and it will be showing up onto the delivery, of course. So by default there is no as such option, but yeah, use your integration and it will easily be able to add or enable you to add Shopify shipping labels. All of these shipping details are here, and for more videos visit our channel. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.